In this video, I'll show you how to join a Discord server without the invite link. Now first what you want to do is just open up Discord. From in here scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on the plus sign. Now when you go here and you said you want to join a server, usually what you want to do is put the link in here. But if you don't have a link, what you can do is click on the Discover Community one. And then here you'll see all the featured communities. Now you can choose gaming, music, whatever, or you can search for it. So let's say it's League of Legends. You can simply search for League of Legends in here and there'll come a server. Now as you can see, there's so many different ones. Under gaming, you can see all of these. And what you can do is simply League of Legends, press enter, and you'll see all of the League of Legends servers that you can join. Now simply click on them. And then what you want to do is you just want to come in here and look for how you can join them. In here you can see I can text already, and what you can do is from here search for a new one. Let's say we want to join this one. You can simply just click on it and it will be added to the left side here, as you can see right here, and you can text whatever you want. And if you want to join them, just click up here to join the server and it will be saved out here. So that's basically how you can join without an invite, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.